Aura, a now slightly dated term in the grand scheme of the internet, but it's a concept that's everlasting. It's the palpable cool factor behind a person. The feeling I get after putting together an outfit with said cool factor is what keeps me so desperately hooked into this pursuit that we call fashion. I've stayed plugged into this mainframe for so long that I've cracked the code. I've put together a concrete formula that I use to create the cool factor that now populates my wardrobe. And the best part is, this formula only has 3 components, and I'll be able to go over them in less than 5 minutes. And as soon as you learn this formula, you'll immediately be able to begin creating awesome outfits that make you exude copious amounts of aura. What's up, y'all? I am Tanner with Gateway Fashion, and before I get into the 3 components of a cool outfit, you have to understand something about a cool outfit. The best outfits don't look awesome. They make you look awesome. An outfit is effective when it draws out your best features and emphasizes what's already there before the clothes go on. So with this understanding, I can now tell you the first component in the aura formula, and that is the fit of your clothing. For the sake of this video, I'm only going to be talking about the proportion factor of fitment, because you can create a cool outfit with any amount of bagginess if the portions are correct. Proportions in fashion are the ratios between the top and bottom halves of your outfit, and the general rule is that the longer your bottom half is, the taller you'll look. The idea of the longer bottom half leads us to the concept of the golden ratio, the ratio that's almost always the most appealing to the human eye. However, the golden ratio is often mistaken for the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds in fashion states that your top half should be 1/3 of the fit, and the bottom half should be the other 2/3. This almost always looks weird and wonky and usually doesn't quite work, so instead aim for the actual golden ratio of 1 to 1.6. Your bottom half will be noticeably longer than your top half, but not in an unnatural way. This ratio won't make you look taller, but will instead just make you look better for your actual height. Linking back to what I said earlier about an effective outfit making what's already there look even cooler. Instead of trying to pull the cool factor out of thin air, utilizing the golden ratio and buying clothes or even tailoring them with the intent of them fitting you with this 1 to 1.6 ratio will make your outfits look so cool. The second add end of the aura formula is the color of your clothes. It's not just the chosen colors that add or subtract from your aura, but it's instead how synchronous the colors are and how well they suit you. An all black outfit is notoriously awesome, but why does it work? It's because of the inherent flow of a monochromatic outfit. If the pieces are the same color, they're bound to look good together. And this concept doesn't only apply to that, but it also extends to an outfit made of analogous colors, or colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. The smooth flow of an outfit gives it this sought-after and chic feel that can often be translated into aura. But the flow by itself isn't enough. A single instance of contrast is what turns a good outfit into an amazing one. That's why silver jewelry looks so good with black. It provides that necessary contrast. But the points of contrast on your outfit should be small in order to avoid an outfit that clashes, but large enough to be noticed. A general rule is that 20% of your outfit should work against the other 80% of it. The colorization of an outfit is important, but it's not nearly as important as this next and final and most complicated component, and that is your swag factor. It might sound silly and cliche, but it truly isn't about what you wear. It's about how you wear it. When you interact with another person, so many things beyond just what they say stick with you. One of the most critical factors in determining how positively you look back on an interaction with somebody is their body language. How you carry yourself matters. It matters deeply to how good an outfit looks as well. And you need to carry yourself differently depending on the outfit. When you've put together an outfit that you think is cool, don't ruin it by immediately stepping outside in it. Spend a few moments with yourself in the mirror, getting accustomed to how the clothes flow on your body. Take a second to figure out if the fit looks better with your hands in your pockets or if you should just let them dangle to the side. Commonly, when somebody puts on a cool outfit, especially if it's a style that they're not quite accustomed to, they wear it with a certain sense of rigidity. Spending time getting used to an outfit can help you loosen up. Wearing something awesome casually is one of the coolest things you can do with your clothes and help you rack in those sweet, sweet aura points. So that's it. Those are the 3 pieces of the aura formula. That's the fit of your clothes, the color combinations that you use, and your personal swag. So now you can add all of these together and make some sweet outfits. But as always, go out there, wear some cool clothes, and I'll see you next time.